Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Bank of America debit card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Bank of America debit card and any accompanying documents. Have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com/debit card activate, or log in to your online banking account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your debit card by calling the toll-free number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts and provide the required information, including your card details and personal information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation online or during the phone call. Your Bank of America debit card is now ready to use for ATM withdrawals, purchases, and online transactions. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. For easier management of your card, set up your Bank of America online account and mobile banking app. This allows you to monitor transactions, pay bills, and manage your finances efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.